Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.